Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making a delish Moong salad. While prepping the salad, let's remember your spirit is continually energized because you create a loving attitude towards yourself, your situations, and everyone around you. Let's start with thoroughly washing and rinsing 1 cup of moong dal. And soak it for about a couple of hours and then you cook it. But when you're cooking, you just cook till it's half done, half cooked. And if there's excess water, you can rinse it at this point and see it's actually a little more than half done, but you cook it till it's half done. And let's take 1 cup of fresh pomegranate seeds. And let's dice 1 cup of fresh coconut slices. You will get this in the frozen section in an Indian store. Let's de-seed a cucumber and dice it really fine. All of the fresh ingredients should be about the same size. So dice it fine. Let's take 1 cup of celery, so that would be about 3 or 2 stalks of celery. Again, dice fine. 1 cup of tomato. You have to take the seeds out. I'm using Roma tomatoes because there are less seeds in them, and dice fine. This should be also 1 cup. Now let's take half a cup of fresh mint. You take the stems out and you dice fine, chop fine, and you have 1 cup of fresh coriander. Here we use the stems of the coriander. And let's take 1 jalapeno. I'm using everything in the jalapeno, including the seeds. So if you don't like it that way, then take the seeds out. Now let's prep it. Use all of the moong dal, the celery, the mint, the coriander, the tomato, the cucumber, the coconut chunks, the pomegranate seeds, and the jalapeno. Remember, the only thing cooked in this is the moong dal. Mix thoroughly, and now squeeze 2 to 3 limes in this. 3 limes if you want more sour, 2 limes if you want less. Add 1 tablespoon grapeseed, avocado, or olive oil. Don't use any other oils because it's not good. Then salt to taste, pepper to taste, and there you have 1 delicious, amazing tasting, amazing looking, healthy salad. But before we taste it, let's remember, your spirit is continually energized because you create a loving attitude towards yourself, your situations, and everyone around you. Okay, let's taste this. It's amazing. You can taste all the flavors. It feels like there's a party in my mouth. The mint and the texture, the crunch. It is really yum yum. I promise you, folk, if you make this once, you will make this every day. Again, it's really good. Yum yum.